you are looking for safe, natural alternatives to hair dyes bought at the store, then you may already have something you can use in your home. Coffee is the morning drink of choice for millions of people across the world, but it can also be used as a natural hair dye. Coffee will make your naturally dark hair have a healthier look and smell. It is important to remember that the ingredients in this natural hair dye will not last as long as commercially available products. It does not last as long, but it is equally important to remember that this form of coloring your hair does not harm your hair and may even improve it. There are many different chemicals that are used for traditional commercial hair dye products. The National Cancer Institute reports that many of these chemicals can cause cancer. Coffee offers a completely natural alternative to these potentially harmful products. You'll notice your hair shines and even strengthens with this natural coffee mixture. To dye your hair with coffee, brew a strong cup of dark roast coffee. Mix about 1/2 cup of coffee with 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds and 1 cup of leave-in hair conditioner. Apply the mixture to clean, damp hair. Let the mixture set for at least an hour and wash it out when you're done. Repeat if necessary. Coffee won't provide a drastic change to your hair and it won't last for long. But if you need a quick and affordable hair dye alternative, it's a good option to try. Another simpler option is known as a coffee rinse. Clean and shampoo your hair and then pour cooled down dark roasted coffee over your head over the sink. Leave this in your hair for about 20 minutes. You can use apple cider vinegar to rinse the coffee out of your hair. Then rinse out your hair thoroughly with warm water. To get better results, you may try repeating this process over several days to allow the coffee more time to color your hair. Leave a comment to let us know your own results with this natural hair dye alternative. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage us to keep making more great content like this.